JavaScript Arithmetic Operators. What is modulo? Have you ever wondered how to find the remainder of a division operation in JavaScript? Today, we are going to talk about the modulo operator, a handy tool in the world of arithmetic operators. This operator can help you solve various problems in your code. The modulo operator is represented by the %. It allows you to determine the remainder after dividing one number, known as the dividend, by another number, known as the divisor. The basic syntax looks like this. Result equals dividend % divisor. The result will hold the remainder of that division. For instance, if you take 10 and divide it by 3 using the modulo operator, you would write it as 10% 3. This evaluates to 1 because when 10 is divided by 3, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. The modulo operator works with both positive and negative numbers. If you use negative numbers, the sign of the dividend is preserved. For example, -7% for results in -3. It also works with floating point numbers. If you have 10.5% 3, the result would be 1.5. You might be wondering where this operator is useful. One common use is checking if a number is even or odd. If a number %2 equals 0, that number is even. If it does not equal 0, the number is odd. Another application is wrapping values within a certain range. This is particularly useful when cycling through array indices or limiting angles within 0 to 360 degrees. You can also use it for performing cyclic operations, like looping through items repeatedly. Mathematically, the modulo operator can help with calculations that involve converting between degrees and radians. It can also be used in algorithms that requiring modular arithmetic. It is important to note that in JavaScript, the % is technically a remainder operator. This means it can return a negative remainder if the dividend is negative. If you want to ensure that the result is always non-negative, you can adjust it using a simple formula. You would write it as the result of the dividend % divisor plus the divisor. I'll % the divisor again. This will give you a result that is always between 0 and the divisor -1. Understanding the modulo operator is essential for mastering arithmetic operators in JavaScript. It allows you to handle division remainders effectively, which is a common requirement in many programming tasks related to web development and beyond. So next time you need to find a remainder, remember the power of the modulo operator.